Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe and sound at your homes. This is the second video of June of Geo, and the topic which we are going to discuss today is Australia. First of all, we will discuss continent Australia, then we will discuss country Australia. There are total 14 countries in continent Australia. Its largest country is Australia. Christianity is the major religion of Australia, and its famous landmark is Grand Opera House, which is in Sydney. The major cities of Australia are Sydney, Melbourne, Wellington and Auckland. The major wildlife of Australia are kangaroo, koala and kiwi. This is all about continent Australia. Now the topic which we are going to discuss today is Australia. Australia is that country which is an island country. I hope you people know what is meant by island or what is the definition of island. Island, it is a piece of land which is completely surrounded by water. What is island? Island is a piece of land which is completely surrounded by water. So Australia is that country which is an island country. Australia. Australia is a largest country of continent Australia. This is the flag of Australia. Now the facts of Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Its currency is Australian dollar. Christianity is the major religion of Australia, and the national language of Australia is English. Again, the capital of Australia is Canberra. Its currency is Australian dollar. The religion is Christianity and English is its national language. The important cities of Australia are Sydney, Melbourne and Perth. The popular game of Australia is cricket. The famous landmark of Australia is Grand Opera House. Do you know what is meant by landmark? Landmark means any visible symbol of a country or city. It may be any structure, natural or man-made, like a mountain, tower building, etc. So the famous landmark of Australia is Grand Opera House, which is in Sydney. The national symbol of country Australia is kangaroo. Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. It is an island country. We have discussed that island means the piece of land which is surrounded by water. A quarter of the world's wool is produced there. Some of the beautiful animals like kangaroos and koalas are found there. Australian birds are very colorful and famous all over the world. It is a very rich country. Grand Opera House, which is the famous landmark of Australia. The competition to design an opera house for Sydney attracted 222 entries from 32 countries in 1957. John Erzon won the competition. It took 10 years longer to construct and cost over $100 million. It was opened by Queen Elizabeth in 1973. There are 5 performing halls, an exhibition hall, a restaurant and a bistro. The opera hall seats 1550 people and the concert hall 2700 people. This is the picture of Grand Opera House, which is the famous landmark of Australia, and it is in Sydney. And this is the picture of Grand Opera House from inside. Inside, the Grand Opera House is like this. Now, we are going to do the reading of the topic Australia, which is on page number 26 of our Geo book. Look, this is the map of Australia. Facts. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Currency is Australian dollar. Religion is Christianity and language is English. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Australian dollar is the currency of Australia. Christianity is its religion and English is its language. The country Australia is the sixth largest country in the world. It is an island country. Its important cities are Sydney, Melbourne and Perth. High-tech methods are used for farming in Australia. Huge cattle and sheep farms produce dairy products, meat and wool. A quarter of the world's wool is produced there. Cricket is a very popular game in Australia. This is the picture of Melbourne, which is one of the important cities of Australia. The Grand Opera House in Sydney is the most famous landmark and symbol of Australia. Grand Opera House, which is the famous landmark and it is also the symbol of Australia. Some of the beautiful animals like kangaroos and koalas can only be found in Australia. Kangaroo is also the national symbol of Australia. Australian birds are very colorful and famous all over the world. It is a very rich country. Now the famous landmark of Australia, which is Grand Opera House. It is on page number 27 of our Geo book. In 1957, the competition to design an opera house for Sydney attracted 222 entries from 32 countries. John Erzon won the competition. Technically, it was the most difficult design. It actually took 10 years longer to construct and cost over $100 million. Most of the extra money was raised by lotteries. The end result was one of the most beautiful major buildings raised in any country since World War II, and indeed is one of the most beautiful of all times. Grand Opera House was officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II in 1973. It is seen at its best from the waters of the harbour, where it suggests a Titanic white swan that might be about to take to the air. On the sills are more than 1 million Swedish antifungal ceramic tiles, which glide in the sun and never need cleaning. Glint means shine. What is the meaning of glint? Glint means shine, which glide in the sun and never need cleaning. Within the building are 5 performing halls, an exhibition hall, a restaurant and a bistro. The opera hall seats 1550 people and the concert hall 2700 people. This is the picture of cricket ground which is in Australia, in the city Melbourne. Melbourne, which is the important city of Australia, this is the cricket ground there. And this is that cricket ground where Pakistan won World Cup final in 1992. Pakistan won the World Cup final of cricket from this ground in 1992. Now, this is the end of our today's topic, Australia. I hope you people understand and it will also help you in doing your task. Inshallah, in next video we will continue from the next topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.